to season a moka pot. This is essential to make sure that you get any particulates and debris out of it. So disassemble it and fill up the bottom chamber with water right up to the little knob that you see, not above it, right up to the knob. Reassemble it and place it on the stove. Turn the fire on.
A few moments later.
And you want it to basically extract all of the weird debris and all that shit. You will do this twice. Then grind your coffee. You have to brew 3 different cups of coffee to season it. And the 3rd cup is your coffee to drink. So grind up enough beans to fill up your moka pot 3 different times. And then you're gonna do the same exact process. Fill up the bottom with water. This time though, you're going to add the ground beans to the little gasket to the chamber, then reassemble it, pop it on the stove, and it's gonna brew your coffee. However, you're gonna have to dump the coffee out. You can't salvage it. It's gonna even smell a little bit like silicone. It probably will taste like shit. You don't wanna ingest this. We're not for the homies, but you have to do this twice. Finally, on the last time, same. You add water to the bottom chamber, add your coffee to the little gasket, and you brew it. And on this 3rd brew, it is ready for you to consume. So this is the process of seasoning your moka pot. You wanna make sure you do 2 brews with just water, 2 brews with coffee that you dump, and then the final beautiful, beautiful golden brew will be able to be consumed by you, and you won't have to worry about getting sick or tasting any weird silicone, yada, 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 yada. If you want, you can invest in like a cheaper coffee to do it so you don't, quote unquote, waste your good coffee, but no such thing as wasting coffee when you're doing it for the benefit of, yourself. And then once you're done brewing your final cup of coffee, go ahead and pour it into your glass and enjoy. This is so good. Oh my God. I love my coffee.